popping minis right now.
Opa matado. Boom, boom, boom.
I can't build. What the fuck?
Fuck?
What's so weird?
Dead.
I feel that.
I don't know.
Alright,
I don't have
see you, Funk. I don't really have much either, dude.
Just go low ground, ultimate low, I think.
Smaller than the diagram. Rain over broad.
Sketch. I just don't want to get a fucking hop on me, dude.
There's that low. White. Brick, white. Snag.
Quad launcher.
Quad launcher.
Didn't hit you.
What? I'm under the ground. What? 135. What? What's truly unlucky? I think I'm
Very interesting.
Thanks.
5 left.
Cannot be killed. 3.
47.
Cat is too underleveled. Get the fuck away, you fucking garbage. Fuck. Like, what are you doing? Go fucking heal, you
Shit.
fucking AFK. Fuck.
Monkey ass,
Not
dude.
even my shit.
It wasn't even
How'd you
close,
land
dude.
that one, you son of a bitch?
I think that guy hit himself with that quad on that block.
Dude, what was the guy? I got pushed under the ground.
Bullshit.
I saw. I know. Funk's having a rough go of it. He got shoved under the mountain.
Quad launcher.
Zipline. No. First the zipline threw him off the map. Then he got sniped out of a airplane. Now my dude's under the map. He bumped the guy that was down for 135.
Yeah. What the hell was that?
We
We just, bro, we got fucked, bro. We had no mobility that game. I feel like.
He died right next to me. And I got it.
Re, motherfucker, re.
Yeah, I would have been dead. I didn't get that. I got a scar. Feels bad.
Someone says hold that.
Got her back. Can I get some water?
An ally has been slain. An ally has been slain.
Stand back.
I need the ult to hit.
Smaller than the diagram.
You greedy fuck. Oh my god, what the fuck? There's. What? I got the stun off. I got in the 2 turrets and he still lives. And he gets the kill on me at max range Q. What the fuck? How's that even in range? Fucking shitty ass game with the bullshit motherfucker. Oh, at least we got Infernal. What the fuck? Is that a bug?
Double kill.
Goggles
An
on.
ally has been slain.
Oh shit, dog. Yeah, that's a shit, dog. 21-7, shit, dog. I stole that shit, no vision. If only had that Infernal sooner.
Not nearly. Ah, the sweet smell of science.
Let's go, full flash instantly. But it means nothing because I am a god and you are not, good sir.
An
Get the
enemy
poopy
has
done.
been slain.
My dude. I am your god now.
Wonderfully efficient.
An ally has been slain.
Get juked out, my dude. Get juked out and pooped on. Get pooped on. Fuck you. Fuck you, you camping hoe. I'll gank alone, you fucking fuck. I'll fuck your ass, bitch. 2 levels down, you ain't shit. Ain't motherfucking shit. I got these turret platings. Baby. Turret platings.
Ah, the sweet smell of science. Aha, 42. I knew it. Now. What was the question again?
You ain't shit, bitch. Stop surviving. What? Just take fucking damage. What the fuck? Take fucking damage. Mate! Take fucking damage, mate! You fucking piece of shit game. Holy shit. You're just walking through all my damage like, nope. Once I get to 5% health, you ain't touching me. Fucking motherfucker. I'll rush this item real quick. 2100 gold. Shove this tower, get that final plate. Plate. Boom, get poopied on in the butt. You ain't fucking shit. Give me that turret plate in. 5 rocket, W. Boom, level 3, did 0 damage. Wow. Auto attack's doing nothing. Wow.
Ah, the sweet smell of science.
What are you doing? Get shit on. Oh wait, you don't take damage. Yay. Oh, he's healing. He's not only not taking damage, but he's healing. Oh my god, look at him heal. Wow, look at him heal. Thank fucking god he died without me dying. Jesus fuck. This game is such doo-doo. Oh, ree! Why the fuck? Alright, at least Echo's getting dragged, so that's fine. $650.
Brain over bond.
I got an ocean drag. And Cat's inting. Wait, Cat, you were helping with drag. Why is Draven the one that's being useful and you're just inting? Like, oh, let me get 7 deaths at 14 minutes. Holy shit. This Cat's doo-doo. Actually inting.
Enemy double kill.
Aha. It's smaller than the diagram.
Your turret has been destroyed.
On.
Hey, you just ulted me. Good thing you're stupid.
Stop that. You will damage my turrets.
0 cooldown, by the way, haha. least I got the red buff. Get this recharge on the health. Get that free damage, even though it doesn't really do much damage because he's fucking fed as shit. No, he's not fed. He's just fucking tanky. Look at that, more damage. Nope, JK. Didn't take any. Our team has so much fucking AP, this Mundo's gonna be disgusting. Oh my. Please buy something. He's healing so much while taking all my damage.
I theorize.
What the fuck, Riot? Motherfucking ass games.
Wonderfully efficient.
Oh, you a bitch! You a bitch! You a motherfucking oh, bitch!
Down.
Oh, look at that, my E cancelled itself. That's cool. My E didn't want to stun him or damage him. Probably didn't get the assist. Good game, right?
Ally has been slain.
Alright, boom, I got Grievous and Magic Pen. That should handle the Mundo's fucking healing half his health while taking my full damage. So I'm fed, by the way. And he has 54 farms, shouldn't be allowed to be so tanky. Missed that cannon minion, that's cool.
42. I knew it.
Alright.
Now. Now what was the
Ping top, you can have that. We got the Herald. We got the Vi kill because she's doo-doo.
Double. An ally has
Draven's
been
in
slain.
thing. Bringing back that old Tyler 1 build.
never-ending cycle?
Go away, you fucking garbage player.
Raise your what?
Your turret has been destroyed. An enemy has been slain.
I don't know how she even got the kill. Oh, look at that. She's a broken champ versus a broken champ, so it's gonna be. Who's gonna win? Oh, he pressed star. They buff Mundo. Really AP. Let's buy that for now. Fuck it, dude. Look at that, my ult's on, even though I used 2 abilities after I pressed it.
Turret.
The cosine of your root.
Quadra kill.
Well, I could have played that slightly better, might have lived. Might have gotten the Penta. I don't know. But anyways, we won game off that.
Your team has destroyed an inhibitor.
stop doing that.
Exceeding turret power.
So fucking bad.
The sweet smell of science.
It's like the 50th time she's been doing that.
Yes, yes, hurry. I have important work to get back to.
Nice.
Killing spree. An ally has been slain.
Watch Javai's gonna ult me. Oh, she ulted him. Brrrr. Dumb fuck. He wasn't even staying near me. Well, I'm tired, so yeah. Glad I didn't have to deal with the late game 100% MR Mundo. You should have rotated drag, and the other people in the team should have gone turret, because you don't. Well, I mean, Echo does do damage to turret, but yeah, you don't. If Vi wasn't bronze, she would have stolen that drag, but she went to farm lane minions instead of literally anything else. Should have killed Draven because he's inting all game. And I don't know how Cat didn't do terrible at the end when she was inting all early game. Once I got that Grievous, I did a lot better. Should have just rushed it instead of Hourglass. Alright, well, I'm out. I can just play on that account. This one's got higher MMR now that it's bronze 2. It's like you don't gain any MMR until you hit bronze 2. Or if you climb 2 divisions and then you start getting MMR or whatever. Anyways, I am out.